I'm going to show you how to host pictures at your repeatserver.com account and why you would actually want to do this. Let's say you have a presentation running and it's showing a picture of the day. Now it could either just be a sort of a general picture that's sort of interest to somebody, or it could be a graphically designed sales message that's in a shop window, but the process is exactly the same. So for a start, I've got 4 sort of random pictures here that I've taken from our samples, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to rename the first one to picture of the day. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload this picture and put it into one of the presentations. So from Repeat Signage and our Repeat Server tab, I'm going to click on Upload Files, and this automatically logs me into my repeatserver.com account. I'm just going to adjust the zoom so I can see what's going on, and I'm going to browse for the files I want to upload. I'm installed in this folder picture of the day, and that's the first file I wanted to use, so I'm going to upload that. And that's done. Now if I close this down, you'll see the picture of the day has automatically appeared in my Repeat Server section. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new presentation. And I'm going to click on Insert and Picture. Now I can browse for a picture, but in this case I want to use repeatserver.com. And there's my picture file. I'm going to click on OK. So Repeat Signage automatically downloads that file, and I'm going to make it full screen, so size full screen. Now I'm double clicking on the actual control now because I want to tell Repeat Signage to check for new versions of that picture. Now by default it defaults to 15 minutes, but I'm just going to change it to 10 seconds for the purpose of this demonstration. And save the presentation. Call this picture and save. Now we're going to play the presentation. So that's my presentation, just a simple full screen picture. Now if I go back into Repeat Signage, see the presentation still running in the background. I'm going to go back to my Repeat Server tab. And no, I'm not. I'm going to go to my Pictures of the Day folder. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this picture because I'm fed up with it now, and I want to choose this picture as my new picture of the day, and all I'm going to do is rename that file. So now picture of the day is actually this image rather than the previous image of the actual bug. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to the Upload section again, Upload Files. I'm just going to change the zoom again and browse. That's on the Picture of the Day folder. So Picture of the Day is now this file, and upload. So what I'm doing is upload, because the file's exactly the same name, I'm actually overwriting the picture of the bug with the picture of that rock thing. So I'm going to close this down now. Now if we go back to our playing presentation, at the moment we've got the bug and it's automatically changed itself to the rock picture. That's because the presentation has been monitoring that picture and it just checks periodically. We set it to 10 seconds, and because it realised that we'd actually overwrote that picture at repeatserver.com, it's downloaded and automatically played the new version for us.